Hey guys, let's talk about long-term care insurance. So long-term care is going to step in if you need the assistance of medical help or assisted living, things like that. So that's going to step in, help cover those end-of-life costs. I'm going to talk about when to get it, how much it costs, who it's right for in today's video. So long-term care insurance is one of the hardest insurances for me as a financial advisor to talk about. The problem is it's not as black and white as life insurance or home insurance, things like that. With long-term care insurance, we don't really know what our life is going to be like at that stage, right? So let's say we're going to a nursing home. Are we going to be there 5 days, 5 years? We don't know. So it's impossible to predict what kind of coverage you need. It's just a matter, it's basically like a savings plan for that time to help cover. Long-term care insurance is expensive. I recently had a client that purchased a policy. She is, I believe, 63, and she's paying about $4,000 a year for a pretty standard policy. Long-term care insurance can give you coverage for basically a year to up to 5 years in those scenarios that you're in a nursing home or different facility. There's all sorts of riders. I always recommend an inflation protection, so about a 3% inflation rider to go along with your policy if you're going to get one. Dave Ramsey says the ideal age to get a long-term care insurance policy is over 60. What I've found is that premiums significantly go up right when you hit 60 years old. So I think the sweet spot for when to get it is between 55 and 59 years old. I think any age before 55 is just not worth it. You're going to be paying for longer, even though your premiums might be lower. I think that there's that sweet spot of 5-year gap when you should get it. There's all sorts of different providers out there. The industry's kind of in a shake-up right now to where they're trying to figure out how to price people living longer and different needs of the policyholders. But this one's a tough one. It's even tough for me, who I talk to almost all of our clients about, and it's something to really think and pray about. You've got to think about if family's going to be helping you. Are you going to be moving in with your children? Do you want to make sure that doesn't happen by buying a policy to make sure that somebody else can take care of you? Lots of things to think about. I put together a 3-page article for our clients just to think through all the different options. Again, I've talked about it before. I do not believe in insurance as an investment. So I do recommend looking at long-term care policies that are similar to car insurance, where you're just paying on a monthly basis and there's no kind of value built up in that. Let me know if you have any questions. I've got a lot more topics to go into, but I wanted to keep it kind of high level today. And next video I'll be talking about what insurances I think you should avoid paying for.